Hey there! Welcome back to our channel. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe if you're new here. Trust me, you'll want to take advantage of our upcoming videos. Today we're diving deep into the 5 foods that rapidly age your skin. Yep, you heard that right. Some foods are secretly making you look older. But don't worry, we've got the scoop on how to turn back the clock. Before we do, let's clear up some myths about skin aging. First, all skin damage happens by 18. Well, while early sun exposure can be harmful, your skin can repair and rejuvenate well into adulthood. It's always possible to start taking care of your skin. Now, you've probably seen those fancy collagen supplements promising to erase wrinkles. Here's the truth. There needs to be more evidence to show they work. Instead, topical treatments like retinol and vitamin C are your best friends for boosting collagen. Oh, and that idea that oily skin ages slower? Total myth. Both oily and dry skin can wrinkle. It's more about sun exposure and lifestyle choices. Speaking of which, crossing your legs doesn't cause varicose veins. That's mostly genetics and other factors. Lastly, don't wait until your 30s to start anti-aging products. Your 20s are the perfect time to begin with antioxidants and sun protection. Prevention is key, folks. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty of skin aging. There are 2 types, intrinsic and extrinsic. Intrinsic aging is a natural process that happens over time. Your skin produces less collagen and elastin, making it thinner and less bouncy. Thanks a lot, genetics. Extrinsic aging, on the other hand, is all about external factors. Sun exposure is the big bad wolf here. UV rays break down collagen and elastin, leading to wrinkles and sagging. That's why sunscreen is your new BFF. Your diet plays a huge role in skin aging too. For example, some foods can speed up the aging process by creating nasty things called advanced glycation end products, or AGE. They're as bad as they sound, trust me. So without further ado, let's dive into the 5 foods that age you faster than you can say wrinkle cream. First up, sugar and high fructose corn syrup. These sweet devils are everywhere. They bind to proteins in your blood, creating the AGE we just discussed. And trust me, they're no friend to your skin. AGE breaks down collagen and elastin, which keeps your skin bouncy and smooth. The result? Wrinkles, sagging, and a dull complexion. Yikes! A British Journal of Dermatology study found that these effects start showing up in women around 35 years old. You might notice your skin looking hard and shiny or deep lines around your mouth. And get this. By the time these signs show up, the damage has already been done. It's like your skin is playing catch-up. Fortunately, there are ways to cut down on these sneaky sugar culprits. Start with your drinks. Swap out those sodas and sweetened teas for water, unsweetened tea, or sparkling water with a splash of fruit juice. Next, check the labels. Sugar hides in unexpected places like salad dressings, sauces, and even healthy snacks. Look for words ending in OSE like glucose or fructose on ingredient lists, as these are sugar in disguise. Reach for whole fruits instead of candies or pastries to satisfy your sweet tooth. The fiber in fruit slows down sugar absorption, which is better for your skin and overall health. Better yet, use cinnamon, vanilla, or nutmeg to add sweetness to foods without sugar. And remember, don't go cold turkey. Drastically cutting out all sugar can lead to cravings and binges. Instead, slowly reduce your intake over time. It's not about perfection, it's about progress. Next on our list are processed and red meats. They're packed with saturated fats, preservatives, and sodium, which trigger inflammation in your body, like setting your skin on fire from the inside. Plus, all that sodium sucks the water right out of your skin, leaving it dry and wrinkly. A recent Cleveland Clinic Wellness Institute study found that eating processed meat more than once weekly is linked to wrinkling. Plus, the research showed that the high level of carnitine found in beef can make your blood vessels stiffer. When your blood vessels get stiff, it can lead to early wrinkles on your skin. So how do you cut back without feeling deprived? First, try the meat on the side approach. Instead of making meat the star of your plate, use it as a flavoring or side dish. Next, embrace meatless Mondays, or any day of the week that works for you. One day a week, swap out meat for plant-based proteins like beans, lentils, or tofu. You might be surprised at how tasty and satisfying these alternatives can be. When you do eat meat, go for quality over quantity. Choose lean cuts and savor smaller portions. And here's a pro tip: marinate your meat before cooking. It not only adds flavor, but can also reduce the formation of those harmful compounds we talked about earlier. Lastly, get creative with your proteins. Eggs, fish, and poultry are great alternatives that can be just as satisfying as red meat. And don't forget about nuts and seeds. They're protein powerhouses too. Number 3, trans fats. These sneaky fats raise the C-reactive protein and interleukin-6 in your body. Not only do they damage your skin cells and speed up aging, They also make your skin more sensitive to sun damage. Trans fats come from reheating cooking oil, which also elevates the free radicals. It's like a science experiment gone wrong, but on your stovetop. So what should you do then? First things first, let's go easy on fried foods. I know, those crispy fries are tempting. But trust me, your skin will thank you for passing them up occasionally. Instead, let's get creative with healthier cooking methods. Baking, grilling, steaming. So many delicious options don't involve a vat of oil. And when you need to use fats in cooking, choose olive oil, avocado, nuts, and seeds. These healthy fats are like a spa day for your skin, nourishing it from the inside out. Fourth on our list is alcohol. We all love a good happy hour, but your skin? Not so much. Alcohol is a diuretic, which means it makes you pee more. This leaves your body and skin dehydrated. Dry skin equals more wrinkles and less glow. Plus, it makes your skin super sensitive to sunlight, so a poolside margarita might come with an unexpected sunburn. A Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology study found that heavy drinking increases crow's feet, forehead lines, and under-eye puffiness. It's not exactly the look we're going for. Now, this doesn't mean you should avoid alcohol altogether. You just have to be wise in your choices. So here's a pro tip. Light-colored drinks clears faster from your body than darker alcohols. So if you decide to indulge, a vodka or a gin might be better than that glass of red wine. And here's something to keep in mind. As you get older, your body gets slower at processing alcohol. So try spacing out your drinking days. Maybe drink on Sunday, skip Monday, and so on. It gives your body and skin more time to recover. Last but not least, refined carbs. White bread, pastries, cookies, they all spike your blood sugar. This leads to more of those nasty AGEs we talked about earlier. It also slows down your skin cell turnover, meaning your skin can't repair itself as quickly. Scientists at the University of Montpellier in France found that people who ate a breakfast rich in refined carbohydrates were rated less attractive than those who started their day with healthier unrefined carbs. They recruited 52 men and 52 women, all between 20 and 30 years old. Half of them got a 500-calorie breakfast packed with refined carbs. We're talking French baguettes made from industrially milled flour, jam, fruit juice, and sugary tea or coffee. The other lucky half? They got the good stuff: stone-ground wholemeal bread with butter and cheese, a piece of fruit, and unsweetened tea or coffee. The researchers measured everyone's blood sugar levels before and after eating. Then, they took headshots of all the participants under controlled lighting. These photos were then passed to groups of raters who had to guess how old the people in the photos were, how masculine or feminine they looked, and how attractive they were. The results showed eating refined carbohydrates for breakfast decreased facial attractiveness for both men and women. That's because refined carbs cause spikes in blood sugar, making your body release insulin to counteract it. This response can actually drive your sugar levels too low, a condition called hypoglycemia, and mess with your blood flow and skin appearance. So next time you reach for that white toast or sugary cereal in the morning, remember your breakfast choice might be affecting more than just your waistline. It could be impacting how attractive you appear to others. It may be time to switch to whole grains and get that natural, healthy glow from the inside out. To wrap things up, what you eat does show up on your face. Avoiding these 5 foods and choosing healthier options can slow aging and even reverse damage. As always, check with your doctor before making significant diet changes, especially if you have health conditions. And remember, while these tips can help, they're not a substitute for a balanced diet and sound medical advice. That's all for today. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more health hacks. Remember, you are what you eat, so eat beautifully. See you in the next video.